Dear colleagues, this video is about the introduction of Network Port Socket Communication TCP client. Open the Library Manager and add the network library. Expand the library to view the instructions contained in the library, the meaning of the pins, and so on. As a TCP client, PLC needs to use 3 instructions: TCP client, TCP read, and TCP write. The following 3 instructions are called in the program. TCP client directive is used for the startup of the client. Trigger enable to open the client connection. The following is the IP address and port number of the server. You can assign an IP directly through the move command. TCP read used for data reading. When enable is turned on, it can always read the data sent by the server. The connection handle below is generated by the client directive. Below is the length of the data to be read and the storage address. TCP write instructions are used to send data to the server. Once the enable is triggered, data is sent. The connection handle below is generated by the client directive. Below is the length of the data to be sent, and the address where the data is stored. A blink library can be added to trigger sending instructions periodically. Download the project into PLC. Use the debugging assistant as the TCP server. The server IP address is the computer IP address, and the server port is the same as the program settings. Start the server first, and then start the client. The client and server successfully communicate with each other. Let's take a look at the data sent and received between the client and the server. About the introduction of network port socket communication TCP client. That's all. Thank you.